The Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic structures in human history, stretching over 13,000 miles across northern China. It was built over several dynasties, primarily to protect against invasions from nomadic tribes and other potential threats. However, its significance goes far beyond mere defense. The construction of the Great Wall had profound impacts on Chinese society, politics, and culture, which in turn affected global history. Firstly, the wall served as a formidable barrier that controlled migration and encouraged agricultural development within its borders. By providing a sense of security, it allowed communities to flourish and develop economically. Farmers could work their lands without the impending threat of invasions, leading to increased agricultural productivity and population growth. This boost in agriculture was crucial for sustaining large populations and advancing societal complexity. Secondly, the Great Wall of China helped to shape Chinese national identity. The sheer scale and ambition of the project fostered a sense of unity and collective effort. It became a symbol of the strength and endurance of the Chinese people. This notion of a unified Chinese identity was vital in maintaining cohesion in a vast territory with diverse cultures and languages. The wall was also a psychological barrier that reinforced the idea of China as a distinct entity separate from the barbarian world beyond its borders. Thirdly, the wall had significant military and political implications. It wasn't just a static defense line, but was fortified with watchtowers, garrisons, and signaling systems, which allowed for quick communication and mobilization of troops. This extensive network made it difficult for invaders to carry out surprise attacks, thus offering a strategic advantage. Additionally, the wall served as a deterrent, making potential invaders think twice before attempting to breach it. Its construction required massive resource mobilization, which in turn necessitated strong central authority. This helped to consolidate the power of the ruling dynasties, setting a precedent for centralized governance in China. Lastly, the Great Wall's impact extended beyond China. It was a focal point in the cultural exchange between the East and West. The Silk Road, which facilitated trade between China and Europe, ran parallel to parts of the wall. This trade route not only brought goods but also ideas, technologies, and cultures, profoundly influencing the development of civilizations along its path. In summary, the Great Wall of China is not just a marvel of engineering, but a monumental chapter in human history. It played a critical role in shaping Chinese society, national identity, military strategy, and global interactions. Its legacy continues to be felt today, reminding us of the enduring power of human ingenuity and collective effort.